The members of the Majlis-e-Shura Pakistan Immunities and the Privileges Act 2023 is a significant piece of legislation in Pakistan that outlines the privileges and the immunities granted to the members of the National Assembly and the Senate. Here are some key aspects of this act. Exempted from the prevention detention, members cannot be detained under any preventive detention law once a session is summoned by the president or the chairman or the speaker. Registration of cases: if an FIR is registered or a reference is filed against a member, the chairman or the speaker must inform within 24 hours. Elimination of arrest or detention: authorities must immediately inform the chairman or the speaker if the member is arrested, detained or sentenced, providing reasons for action. Production in custody: members in custody must be produced before the Senate, National Assembly or any community they are part of if summoned. Service or legal process cannot be served within the precincts of the Majlis-e-Shura Parliament without prior permission. Legal analysis of the situation is like this. Protection of legislative functions: the Act ensures the members can perform their legislative duty without undue influence or any kind of threat. Transparency and accountability: by mandating immediate notification of arrest and legal actions, the Act promotes transparency and accountability within the legislative process. Balance of power: the Act strikes a balance between granting necessary immunities to the legislator and ensuring that they are not above the law, maintaining the rule of order and the democracy principle. Broader context: the Act is aligned with the constitutional provisions under the Article 66(2) of the Constitution of the Pakistan, which allows the determination of immunities and the privileges of the Pakistani members by law. Such legal framework are essential for safeguarding the independence and the integrity of legislative bodies worldwide.